Hello students, welcome to Shore Officers classes. So this is our website. You can log into this website or visit our website for more information. Also you can directly call us or WhatsApp us in this official number. So today in this lecture we will be solving some past year questions of BCA and mainly we will be focusing on the computer awareness. So let's get started with the question answers. So here the question is about the transaction processing, and the question is transaction processing that is associated with everything below except what. So here the options are producing detailed summary or exception reports. Option B is recording a business activity. Option C is confirming an action or triggering a response. And option D is maintaining a data. Now, once again, I'm just emphasize on the question that is transaction processing that is associated with everything except what. We have to find the except thing that is not the correct option. Okay, so first let me tell you what is actually transaction. It's a collection of operations that form a single logical unit of work that is called the transactions. So here option C will be the correct answer for this question, that is confirming an action or triggering a response. Now let's go to the next question. So here the question is in C++ the range of signed short integer type variable is which of these following. Here we have four options, so we have to find out which will be the integer type variable. Now for signed short type of integer number, it is from -3 to 768 to 3 to 768. Obviously that is plus. So this is the range. So we can also say -2 to the power 15 to 2 to the power 15. So here answer will be the option B, that is -2 to the power 15 to 2 to the power 15. This is the range. Now you can short into this form, because we have already here in the question that we have to find the range of signed short integer type variable is this. So option B will be the answer for this question. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, press the thumbs up button, and also if you have any query you can comment us in the below section. Also you can share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.